Welcome to the PowerBelt Help Center. Today, I'm going to show you how you can generate a complex report with a single click. All you have to do is import your data, and there are two ways that you can import it. Firstly, you can click on this icon, and then select your Excel file, or you can drag and drop it here. You can see that the data is imported almost instantly. And there are several things you can do right after the import. First, I would recommend that you specify the number of decimal points that you'd like to use throughout the analysis. We'll go with 2. And then you should review the data you just imported. The reason is that it's an essential information for you, as the summary displays any errors that your imported data contains. For example, you can see that some value which should be numeric is not numeric. And I suspect it's this one. Also, we can see if there are any super outliers contained in your Excel file. The reason why we are talking about super outliers is that super outliers differ very significantly from the rest of the observations. That means that they can skew your final analysis a lot. And that's, of course, a reason why we are giving you an option to filter them out. You can do so easily by clicking on this icon, which, if it turns yellow, you know that the data you imported contains some super outliers. If you click on the button and you click on Filter Super Outliers Out, your final output will not contain any super outliers. There are, however, 2 conditions which must be met when you're importing data into the program. First is that all data must be contained on the first sheet of your Excel file. And second is that each column represents only one variable. As long as you meet these rules, your Excel file can have as many columns as you need. Right. Let's say that you're interested specifically in box plots. And you can see that as our data contains some outliers, the graph is not really that easily readable. That's why we will filter out all outliers. And if the graph is still not that easily readable, you can zoom in on the axis. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can download the picture, or you can copy it and then paste it into your final destination with Ctrl-V. In case you'd be interested in more specific details about which statistical method is used for each of these graphs, you can do so by clicking on the question mark, where you're going to find a detailed descriptions of the methods we used. Well, I wish you good luck with your analysis, and we'll see each other next time.